All right, welcome back, everybody. I'm in the kitchen, and you see what I got in here? My blender. I got a banana peeling, and I got some eggshell. And what I'm gonna do is blend this real quick so I can get my plants. I'm gonna probably put it around my pepper plant, my bell peppers, so I can get my potassium hit real quick. So I'm gonna blend this together with the, of course, with the eggshells, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it around my plant. I might even put it around my cucumbers too. But this is real quick to show y'all a little tricks that you can do, because when you, like I said the last video when I did the what was that? I did the coffee grinds, and I put some Epsom salt, and I put some I forgot what I did, but basically you put all the plant material inside of here, and what happens is the potassium actually will break down, and the calcium from the shells will break down into the water. Yeah, that's what the eggshells. I put eggshells in there last time, and I was giving my plants a calcium hit. So, and that was prevent the blossom end rot last time. But I actually got a little bit of calcium right here from the eggshells, and it actually get into the water. There will be material left over, but still a lot of when I blend up the banana, it actually get broken down, and it'll be into the water, where after I water my plant, it can go directly down into the roots. And then also some will be sprinkled over the ground to break down later on. So to me, instead of placing a bunch of scraps around your plants, you know, this is, like I said, for some people with small gardens, or, you know, flower beds and stuff like that, container gardens. See, I got my food scraps in here, so we don't let nothing go to waste. So these are onions, the eggplant, the cucumber, and all that. So we either put it in the compost bin, and you can let it break down over time, or you can blend it up with some water. You can drop all that in the water and blend it all up, and then you can just spread that water and stuff right around your plant, and it won't hurt your plant. But actually, it'll feed it, and it actually break down in the soil. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, and I'll be sprinkling this around the plant. I'll be breaking this all down. I'll just add water to it, put it in the pitcher, and just put it around the base of my plant to feed my plants. Because I know the pepper plants need some potassium hit, so I'm going to get them some potassium, and maybe some other plants too. Once I get out there, I'll see. All right, you can see it's breaking down in there. That's all inside the water. I can see that actually going on the side. Let's speed up okay, this is what it looks like. Let's see. See? All the bananas all broken down inside of there. Now I'm just gonna put this in a pitcher. I'm gonna add some more water to it, stir it up, and just pour it around my base of my plants. It's gonna be that simple. So the next part, I'll be out in the yard just pouring it around the plants. All right, so I'm in the backyard and I'm mixing it up. This is what it looks like. And all this is banana peeling, right? Banana peeling and eggshells. And water, that's it. And I'm gonna give my plants a little hit. These are the cucumbers I just planted. So I'm just gonna pour some right around the cucumber plant. It's not gonna hurt anything. Get a little potassium in the soil. directly. See that? Now I'm going over here to my pepper plants. My bell, especially the bell peppers. See, look at the potatoes, y'all. They should be ready to come up soon. They all falling apart. It's starting to die back some. Let's see, here's my peppers right here. Y'all can see that right there. I think there's a few more on these plants. But I'm gonna get them a little potassium hit. Oh, there's a bigger one right here. There's a few right here. I see it hanging right there behind this leaf. So what I do is take it. Where's that bell pepper plant at? This is one. So it's starting right. I think I got 4 of them. And I'm just gonna pour it right around the base of the plants. That's it. See the eggshells? Those are all ground up eggshells. And I'm just gonna put the water hose in here and rinse it around and do it one more time. While I'm out here, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick a tomato. Let's see, this one. I can go ahead and pop that one off. It's a nice tomato. Set her down right here. And I got some heirloom tomatoes in the back that I need to go ahead and pick while I'm out here. So they're starting to split, but these heirlooms, they look weird like that, but these are some, I love these though. These are really good. So that's one. Go ahead and get the other one off of there while I'm back here. Number 2. Looks like someone tried to bite it right here, but it didn't get in all the way, so there's not a hole inside, which is nice. But these are really good. Actually, I like these best. Better than the other ones are beefsteak. And these are the heirloom tomatoes. They look funny, but they taste good. All right. All right, everybody. So that was just a real quick. This actually one fell off. I was just letting it sit in the pot. Let me go ahead and get this out the way. That's a nice looking tomato. So you can see we got a whole bunch of nice sized tomatoes on these plants. They're really nice looking. Anyway, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And again, it's basically a quick hit in putting potassium around your plant. All you gotta do is get some bananas, mix it with some water. I added eggshells. You didn't have to do that. That was something I just did. And I just mixed the eggshells in. And you know, you can put coffee grinds, you can put eggshells. Shoot, you can mix anything you want in there. And especially just coming from a plant, it's not gonna hurt your plant when you pour it around it. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace till next time. And I'm out.